How to grow chrysanthemum plants from cuttings. I have two plants in my garden, and there I have grown these ones from the cuttings, and they're giving lots and lots of flowers. I just cut one small branch from there, then clean up, cut all the leaves, cut all the leaves here. And just clean up all and cut the flower, because this one taking energy from the plant. So these ones I clean up, cut properly all branch like that. So this one have to cut little bit on the edge like that. So this one is ready to plant. The second one, I have this color, hot pink color, and I cut that plant from my garden, and now we will grow two more plants from these ones. You can grow as many as you like. Just little bit leaves on the top and clean up, cut that one like that, and just have a look. I have a very small pot. I already prepared with potting mix and little bit of fertilizer and soil, not much fertilizer. Just make a just here, and the another one this side. I'm not using anything for these plants because in the winter time, like cold weather time, they grow very quickly. Summertime they die quickly with the heat, but in the winter time little bit, not much cold, and you have to keep it inside for some days. Leave in the sunny area. Just little bit of water, not much water. That's it. Water after 4-5 days. No need to water much. And you can see after some days they will start growing. And I will just put in the window area where the little bit sun coming in, and there are two plants will be ready in some days. And I show you my last one plants which one I prepared from the cuttings, and there is no need to spend money on to buy the plants. So thanks for watching.